As you can see, it's picked up quite a bit. It's incredible. That's actually the top of a shovel. It's hard to show you how deep this is. It's amazing how much snow's on the roof, but your dad assures me it's a very strong roof. Anyway, so if you want to see what I look like here. Frightening, isn't it? Look like the snowman. Anyway, it's really windy. The snow's coming right at us here. I'm walking back towards this way. This is the back. Anyway, not much to show. It's so white out. Incredible power of this storm. Back to back.